Hey guys, it's your host 1980 here, back again with another Oculus Quest video. And today
we're going to be playing Pistol Whip.
That is correct. We're going to be playing Pistol Whip on the Oculus Quest, and this is going to be my first time ever playing. The game legitimately just downloaded. I'm super excited. So today, we're going to be playing it. So, without further ado, let's get into it.
Pistol Whip.
Okay, no way! Oh my god!
Oh shoot. There's so many challenges in that video.
You can see here's the Pistol Whip. Holy cow. The guns look sweet, by the way.
Oh, yeah.
Down. Trading? We're gonna press start. Oh my god. Holy cow. Okay. Modifiers?
There's a bunch of them.
Oh, different guns?
There's a bunch of them in the mountain.
No way. Is that? I'm much more realistic. I do enjoy that. Realism is definitely nice. That's also very realistic. Is this a beagle? That is a beagle. That is a legitimate beagle.
Yeah. Should I just like camp?
What the? I don't know. I need to Alright, I see this. Let's play. Easy, let's start off now. Hard. Or literally easy. Select scene. Download.
Yeah.
Future.
Oh, they're so overpowered.
Oh, default. That was a very fun level, people. Gotta try it out. No way. Oh, whoa, that's some screen door effect and a half.
Wait, actually.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. I'm kind of scared as well. Oh, I'm really bad at this game already. Oh, I see the bullets now. Ah! I'm really bad at this game already. So I can not beat to the music, dude. I'm just like trying to kill people. Ah! Oh, what the heck? This game. Oh, that feels so nice. I feel like I'm freaking John Wick. Oh, hit a wall. Ah, I died. I hit too many walls? You joking me, dude?
I'm just waiting.
You're not supposed to go out like that. Alright. This time we're going full hard mode.
Somebody's got a color.
Alright, go again. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna stop kind of this really weird. This is exactly what we need to now. It's such a cool concept and it's executed so well. I mean, it isn't really. I mean, Beat Saber is it's different than Beat Saber Super Hot. I can definitely say this now, but it's very fun. Okay. We gotta keep going. All right, left, right, left. Ugh!
I know, but like,
I now see you or you? Or you?
Oh, yo, what up? I'm doing this. And then it's like, that's something. No, I should drop something here.
What the? Ah!
Yeah.
We got menu.
I like
Baby? Hard. Easy, right? I mean, obviously hard mode is going to be insanely easy. I'm really scared now.
less suspicious.
Oh, what? What? Alright, retry. Sorry, this is a really long video, dude. I'm just too excited, dude. I gotta keep playing.
Oh yeah.
Shit, so many live stream.
All ones.
Ready.
What happened?
Right there. One right there. One right there. Is that guy default dancing? You better not be default dancing on me! I will default dance at your... Ah! Sorry, I got too wrapped up with the default dancing. Alright, I need to make sure that guy's default dancing.
No. I did that shit on the guard. What
Hilarious.
the heck?
Bah! Bah! This game is so fun! Bah! Bah! Whoa! Bah! 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 He is! He's default dancing! You're the default dancer! What the heck?
Nope.
What?
Nope.
Alright, we're gonna try this one last time. Not on the video, then I'll keep playing as well.
Wait, actually?
Alright.
There are a ton of victims here.
Oh, howdy! You bullets are quite hard to dodge.
Alright, where's another one? There's one that
Yeah, let's put them. What? Oh my god! That's hard. That's real hard. It most certainly is. I had a different outro planned, or at least, well, planned. I did it, but it was really rushed because I wanted to play Pistol Whip. This is my late outro, recorded on my phone. So Pistol Whip is a great game. It's really fun. It's hard, but it's amazing. It's really fun. It's not super hot in Beat Saber. It's just different, but it's really addicting, really fun. The thing is, though, it gets repetitive, but not in the way most games would get repetitive. Like, it will get repetitive. If you play it for like an hour or two, it will get repetitive, but then, and you'll be like, oh, and you'll stop playing it. But then if you try to play again, it's not like it's still repetitive. Like, the next day you get back on it, and it's like insanely fun again. So it's a great game. It has a lot of endless possibilities. It's super fun. The other concern is that dodging bullets is extremely hard in this game, actually. I'm very surprised. It's just a weird way of dodging them. You get the hang of it eventually, but at first it's really hard. And that allows, and like, even though you're like killing all the bad guys easily on easy, suddenly you can't dodge the bullets, so you can't go to normal, and that's kind of annoying. Because then the shooting is really easy. But it's a great game. But as always, guys, please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, comment, anything you want to say. And as always, guys, stay questing.